ourselves. We need to make sure that the National Assembly, the image is protected. Madam Speaker, it's disappointing to see a honorable member accusing people without facts, say that they are behind the protest. What are your facts? When you are talking, you need to talk with facts so that you become a responsible citizen. Let us not talk like any ordinary person. That's why they voted for us. We have to be responsible. Madam Speaker, coming to the coalition government, we need to hold them accountable. Madam Speaker, 2016 was historic in the Gambia that we all celebrated. But nobody will beat your chest here and say it was done by you individually. We all contributed. Ask us where were you? We were somewhere fighting. You will not know. You will not know. Somebody must start. And we give credit to those people who started the idea. But the idea was supported by all of us to make sure that we made a change. And the coalition parties, if anything went wrong in this country, you will be held accountable. Your agreement is here. You made this agreement to the people. The Constitution is here. You have seen the Constitution. Didn't you make reference to the Constitution which says the president shall serve for 5 years? And you went for 3 years. My mom cannot distinguish the Constitution and the agreement. You went to our village, from village to village. You sold the idea to them. People bought the idea. Now time has come to ask you, you should go back to the drawing board and organize yourself and communicate to the citizens. What is fundamental wrong to communicate to people? When you make a mistake, you must accept the fact that you have made a mistake. This country has been existing here for time immemorial, and we had coalitions, we had alliances, we had elections, but nobody talked about 3 years. NAD was here. We formed Nadia, we campaigned here, but nobody said 3 years. This coalition government partners, UDP, DOI, all the 7 political parties, you campaign for 3 years to the people. If you cannot meet your dreams, your objective, your goals, go back to the people simply and say, because of A or B, we couldn't make it. For peace sake. But you cannot sit in your house. You think that, people who are asking for it, they are criminals, they are social, deviants. No. We need to communicate to each other. What has stopped us to communicate as decent citizens to come together? Madam Speaker, the agreement speaks for itself. With your permission, the goal of the coalition is to put an end to impunity and self-perpetuating rule by establishing a constitutional and institutional safeguards and propagate normative values and practices that would ensure the consolidation of participatory democracy, good governance, rule of law, substantive justice, and human rights. That's why we voted for you. The Vice President came here last time and said their first cabinet meeting, they met and they all agreed to rule for 5 years. Why not you communicate to the people when you made that agreement? You should have told the whole country again and tell them that, yes, we campaigned for 3 years, but because of human rights, because of TRLC, because of the engagement, we cannot fulfill it. Can you allow us to go for 5 years so that after 5 years we can have election? We all know that the Constitution says 5 years. But you went for this thing. You know the reason why you went for it. If you cannot defend it today, if people come out, address them with respect and dignity. Tell them that it's not realistic. It's not doable. But it's their fundamental right to come and ask you that time has come. We are not agitating for war. We are not propagating for war, but dialogue must take place. National Assembly members who are part of the coalition were one time engaged by UNDP. And I believe permanent secretaries and other stakeholders were engaged so that Gambia to look at this issue. It's a critical issue. We are all informed. Knowledge now is everywhere. You can fool some people sometimes, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Time has come for Gambians to think consciously and solve our own problems before other people will solve it for us. There is need for national dialogue. Call for national dialogue, the coalition parties. If not, we hold you by neck. They are here. The coalition parties, they form this coalition. If you cannot pull well with each other, come back to the Gambian people. But you cannot leave the cooking pot on fire, and now it's burning. Now you want to go away and say it's 5 years.